I'll show you how to get CapCut Pro for free. Go grab it now. Want to get CapCut Pro for free? Here's how to unlock 30 days of Pro completely free. First, download the CapCut app on your phone and log into your account. Then go to your computer and click the 30-day free trial link in the video description. Make sure you use that exact link. Download the CapCut desktop version and finish installing it. Once it opens, log in by scanning the QR code. Just grab your phone and scan it. And that's it. Congrats! You've unlocked 30 days of CapCut Pro for free. No subscription, no upfront payment. You'll get full Pro access on desktop. No watermark. All effects unlocked. All premium assets available. If you reopen the mobile app, you'll see your account is now Pro there too. It even works on the web version. Important. This will only work if you haven't downloaded or signed into the desktop version in the past month. And you must use the exclusive link and follow the steps exactly. Go claim it now. I've also added more CapCut deals in the description. Follow and subscribe. I'm here to help you save money.